Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Robinhood Gold. This premium service offers several key advantages to enhance your investing experience. You gain instant access to deposits up to $50,000, allowing you to trade without delay. Additionally, you receive a 3% interest boost on your uninvested cash. Gold also provides access to professional research reports from Morningstar, helping you make more informed decisions. It's designed to give you more power and flexibility. One significant feature of Robinhood Gold is margin investing, which lets you borrow funds to amplify your trading power. Gold members receive $1,000 of margin interest-free. For any amount borrowed beyond that, a 5% annual interest rate applies. While margin can potentially boost your returns, it's crucial to understand that it also increases your risk of losses. Always use margin responsibly and be aware of the associated risks. Robinhood Gold significantly enhances your ability to make timely and informed investment decisions. With Gold, you gain instant access to deposits up to $50,000, eliminating frustrating waiting periods for your funds to clear. This means you can react quickly to market opportunities. Furthermore, you receive access to in-depth, professional research reports from Morningstar, providing valuable insights to help you analyze potential investments thoroughly and strategically. To recap, Robinhood Gold offers a powerful suite of features for just $5 per month. This subscription provides a 3% interest boost on your uninvested cash, helping your money work harder. You also get instant access to deposits up to $50,000, ensuring you never miss a trading opportunity. Plus, gain valuable insights from professional Morningstar research reports and utilize $1,000 of interest-free margin. Gold truly elevates your investing experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.